Uh, First of all, thank you so much, Sangeeta madam. That was superb. It was very informative. I was listening to it. I mean, the work look you're doing and the way you have presented it was really awesome. So thank you so much for your time. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Uh, See, as they say, every great thing or every good thing comes to an end. But I won't say it's an end of the summit, but this is a beginning. This is a new beginning because we all have gathered so much of information from last 5 days. We have met so many new people. We participated in so many events. So this was a jam-packed summit, and that is the reason why I called it कि ये successful summit हुआ है. Okay, ये summit बहुत ही बढ़िया organize किया गया था by the parents, okay, for the parents, and that was the one of a kind. I must say this is the first ever summit organized by special parents, special need parents, and it was really wonderful. Now मैंने जिस ऐसे इस प्रोग्राम का आगाज किया था, जैसे I initially started the session or summit I would call, वैसे मुझे एक जिम्मेदारी दी गई है कि I would finish it up all. I will I, rather I will not call it end, but कुछ अलग तरीके से इसका हम लोग समारोह I would love to do. So to make this event successful, बहुत सारे hands, बहुत सारे लोग, there are so many people who supported us, who are working, or still working behind the camera also, okay, for right from sponsorship to everything. जैसे there is CRC, Child Rehabilitation Center, सुशांत शिंदे सर, सुमेश शिंदे सर, उन्होंने एक बहुत बढ़िया सपोर्ट किया. Again there is ComHAD. On the first day, ComHAD के all the right from chairman to everybody was there. They guided us, they supported us. वैसे there is one more pillar, I will say a special sponsor or special pillar for this summit, and that was Autism Ashram. Okay, Autism Ashram ने बहुत बढ़िया जैसे मैडम I was listening to what you said कि we can fake everything but we cannot fake about money, पैसे जो हैं, about all that, we cannot do that. Everything is fine, सब कुछ सही है, but we cannot, without money we cannot do all these things. And I would love to say that कि Autism Ashram जो है कुंद्रा सर, Autism Ashram, इन्होंने हमें वैसे ही सपोर्ट दिया, and that is the reason ऐसे लोगों की वजह से I must say we'll be able to make this successful event, हम ये कर पाए. तो on this note, मैं सर के साथ और about Autism Ashram, I want people to know कि ये लोग क्या काम कर रहे हैं, तो इनका काम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचे. When got to know about these people also and about their work. So can we play AV of Autism Ashram, Somil sir? Can we have a small video of Autism Ashram? Okay. I think there's some technical.
I guess Harshali madam has some technical issue.
Like 1 minute.
Or she has
Sushant sir is not joined yet.
No problem. We'll start with sir. I mean, sir is there. Kundra sir is there. So can we start with sir? Are you ready? Can we start with a small interview with you, sir? Wherein we would like to know, how you started. So can we start?
Yes. I think you started with that. I'll just coordinate.
No problem. And after the session, we'll play the AV. No problem.
Yes.
So, sir, as I said, जैसे you're one of the sponsor pillar also, and आप बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हो in the field of autism. But and the first of all, ये नाम बहुत interesting लगा मुझे, and the name itself is Autism Ashram. And when you call it ashram, वो बहुत personal लगता है, you feel it good, the vibes, the vibes are there, good vibes are there, positive vibes are there. So first of all, the idea behind the name as well, and the idea behind starting Autism Ashram. So what is the idea behind starting on this, sir?
Yeah, actually, I was into day schooling only. Okay. We had a day center, and we used to do with all kinds of children, right from the age of 2 to 45 तक के बच्चे आते थे हमारे. I'll call them बच्चे only because for me they are children only.
Absolutely.
So one of the parents, one day he came to me. I already related this story many a time. He had a 34-year-old boy. And he told me, Kundra Sahab, I am planning to adopt a 21-year-old boy. So मैंने पूछा, why? Well, how does it help you? So he said, no sir, जब मैं नहीं रहूँगा, when I am no more in this world, this 21-year-old adopted boy will look after my 34-year-old autism son. So I said, what makes you feel that suddenly out of the blue you bring one boy and usko aapke bete ka bhai bana doge? Do you think he'll have the love and compassion for your son in the same manner? So बोला, फिर मैं क्या करूं? I said, no. Any day he will just, the day your eyes are closed, he will open the gates, your son will walk out, never to be found. So what should I do, sir? So मैंने उनको कहा, let us search for a home where there are people who have a service motive, उनके सेवा भाव है उनमें और वो इन बच्चों की सेवा करना चाहते हैं. तो ऐसी कोई संस्था ढूंढिए. I'll be speaking a bit in Hindi as well.
No problem, no problem. Very everybody can understand. No, not a problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
तो जिनमें सेवा भाव है और वो उन्होंने मतलब जीवन का एक मकसद बना रखा है कि भाई इन बच्चों की सेवा करनी है. And who will look after the child for a lifespan. So he said, are there such organizations in India? I said, yes, there must be. And both of us Googled for 2 days and we did not find a single sanstha working exclusively with children with autism.
Is it?
Yeah, we did not find a single organization having a hostel facility for such children.
Okay.
There were multiple disabilities and we made decoy calls to them. Would you accept a very aggressive boy who's 34-year-old? The minute we said aggressive, those people would tell us, oh no, then we can't accept him. And I realized how difficult it is for parents of autistic children to find a place for their boy or girl. And we were just together sitting like this, and I blurted out, Mr. Sharma, I will open a home for your son. With just that, it just stuck in my mind. I mean, what have I said? Because I have no experience of running a residential home. But having said that, I visited a lot of homes in India and I learned what not to do.
Oh, that is very important. Yeah.
Because like when you learn a language, आपको पहले उसकी गालियाँ सीखनी पड़ती हैं.
Right.
So I learned what not to do.
First. Okay.
And then couple of trips I made abroad, and in that I saw the beautiful homes been around there. And there was a home in North Carolina.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean on 75 acres, 15 children.
Oh.
Children means right up to the age of 55. So then I realized that this is what I want to do. And I came back and it became a junoon, absolutely madness. And this kind of work you cannot do without a junoon.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you have to really go all out. And then that's how we bought this place, 9.5 acres. I sold all my personal property, including my own home, to buy this.
Oh.
I had gone virtually mad about it. And I just put it on the Facebook. You will not believe it. People from all over the world started taking a flight, come to Hyderabad and come to this place. No visit to Hyderabad, no sightseeing, no touring, nothing. Just come to see Autism Ashram.
Oh my.
And I realized that this is something which is the need of the hour. If there is one Mr. Sharma wanting a place for his son, mere baat kya? After me what? There could be millions of Mr. Sharmas.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So that is when I thought that I must reach out to this community who are worried about what will happen to their son or daughter after them.
Oh.
And so that's how Autism Ashram came into being.
This is how it started.
And why I chose Ashram.
The name, yes.
हाँ जी, मैंने सोचा कि ये बच्चे एक बार मेरे पास आएंगे तो they will remain with me for life.
Oh, wow.
तो ये उनका आश्रय है, ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे वो उनका आखिरी आश्रय है. From here they'll go nowhere. And that is why I chose the word ashram. And I wanted it to be very straight. Autism,
Ashram.
के बच्चों का आश्रम है ये.
Super,
That's
super.
why I didn't choose my name or anybody guru's name or nothing. It is straight autism ashram. The final place for children with autism is this. So that's how the word ashram has come.
I'm really glad and happy to know that the story also, how it started from one parent.
Yes, yes.
Now we have reached up to autism ashram mein abhi kitne
Now 55 children are here.
children are there.
And not only that, we have created a village for the parents also.
Oh,
Yeah, on 10.5 acres, we have created 85 cottages where right now 40 families are staying. So,
super. So
yeah.
this note, I'll come to the second question. I mean, as you started, but just say,
Yeah, I know.
challenges that we need to wonder where. So normal organization shuru karne mein there are so many challenges, but when you are starting like it's a totally new concept, I must say, or in a different way.
Yeah.
As they say, there are 3 M's that we need to collect before starting anything: men, money, and machinery. Okay, so these all are challenges you must have faced. So please tell us how what are the challenges that you face and have you overcome the challenges?
No, see, the biggest challenge is money. Whenever you want to start a huge thing, and buying the property was easy because I sold my properties and I bought it.
Yes.
But
Yes.
having bought it to construct it, and but one thing there was in my heart, कि इसकी जरूरत है. I am trying to create something which is the need of the hour, and sometimes I would be short of money, and one day one parent came. I did not know him. जाते समय हम लोग दोनों एक झाड़ के पास खड़े थे. There was no office.
Is
I
it?
used to stand underneath the tree and speak to parents coming in. Just couple of chairs या किसी झाड़ के नीचे बैठ जाते थे. And you know what he did? He took my hand, put one paper in that and folded it. And I said, क्या है? बोला देखो. I opened it. 5 lakh rupees का check था.
Oh.
And that day I said, you don't even know me. How are you giving me 5 lakh rupees? He said, sir, मुझे पूरा यकीन है आप इसको बनाएंगे आप. You will do it. And that day I realized that मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो सही कर रहा हूँ. And there are people who need it. And उसका दिल में कितना दर्द होगा जो उसने मेरे पर पूरा भरोसा कर दिया.
Absolutely.
He just gave me, never asked me back for the money. Never.
So ऐसे लोग हैं sir, there are people.
हैं.
Yeah, absolutely. So we should believe.
Yeah.
ऐसे अच्छाइयों पे भी विश्वास हमें होना चाहिए. There are people.
Exactly.
If you start with a good cause, if you are genuine, you will definitely
Really.
get all this. Absolutely.
One thing I would like to reach out to all the parents, communities who want to set up such homes.
Okay.
Don't worry about the money. The
Yes.
money will come.
Okay.
There are a lot of parents having lot of money. All they want to know is तुम ये काम करोगे या नहीं करोगे.
Genuinity, actually.
Yeah, they want to be sure.
Sure.
They don't want to give the hard-earned money to anybody.
Yes.
They will give it only to the right person.
Super.
And this, I'm telling you, it is an amazing experience.
Sir, any particular experience that you would like to share? जैसे अभी आपने about money you
Yeah.
told. Any.
See, once I had one boy. I was just sitting in my same office here, and one family walked in, and they said, "Sir, my nephew is in hospital, in a psychiatric hospital in Hyderabad, and I've heard your name. Please come help us." So I said, "What's the problem?" He said, "The boy's father had a heart attack. His mother was no more. 10 years back only she had died. And one day the father had a heart attack. There was nobody around. And these people were mama, mummy. एक दिन संभाल पाए उसको. Next day उसको ले जाके psychiatric hospital में डाल दिया.
Oh.
I told him, get up, come with me. I drove all the way 50 kilometers to the city back. I told the hospital, discharge this boy. He is an autistic individual. We need not keep him with you. They said, you are taking a big risk. I said, I don't care. That boy was fully drugged, sedated.
Oh.
And in that condition, I told the mama, mummy, please sign for me and bring the boy to my ashram. 3 days it took for me to get the boys to his senses.
Oh.
Big risk. And today it is 5 years or over, 6 years or over.
क्या बात है?
Yeah, he was a 36-year-old boy, I think,
Okay.
at that time. Now he's 42-year-old. So that is what it is. And that day I felt happy कि मैंने अगर ये आश्रम खोला है तो इस बच्चे के काम आया. I think that's the best thing that could happen. अगर ये ना होता
Super, super.
so I felt very happy that I could help this boy.
So really very happy to see you and meet you, sir. And ये जो आपका journey है, definitely I'll request all the parents, all the listeners and all these people who who are there in the summit. If you are somewhere near Hyderabad, even या फिर if you wanted to go to planning to go to Hyderabad, not in near future because right now because of Corona, but जब भी कभी आप you are going to Hyderabad, definitely. Even I personally, sir, I will come and visit the autism.
You are most welcome.
But before asking you last question, I would love to see the AV. Can we have AV, please, of Autism Ashram? Can we play Autism Ashram ka AV? Sushant, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Because if somebody is doing a great work, तो मुझे लगता है ये हमारा duty है. This is our responsibility that ये काम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचे. So in this summit, this is what we have done. We gathered all the parents, all the people who are working in the industry, and like to promote their work as well. So this is what Autism Ashram is. So can we play the
মনে রেখো তবু মনে রেখো যদি জল আসে আঁখি পাতে যদি জল আসে আঁখি পাতে একদিন যদি খেলা থেমে যায় মধুরাতে তবু মনে রেখো
Superb, sir. I mean, I don't know what to ask you. I mean, the work that you are doing, हम तो सोच भी नहीं सकते. And you started, you are already doing it. So best wishes to the Autism Ashram. But before going to and about the session, the next session, I will ask you last question is the message, because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे many parents right from already 5 days they're participating, they're listening to all the experts. Like क्या message देना चाहोगे? What would be that final message to all the parents, or all the not only parents but to the institution organizers or to institutions that you would like to give the message that you would like to give, the final message?
I would like to tell the parents, especially during these COVID times, when everything is so uncertain, unpredictable, let go. अपने बच्चे को let go. You must let your child live in a home for some time at least, and make him independent, as much independent as possible. Don't bother about the acads. If your son can eat on his own, if your son can brush on his own, and if your son can wash his bums on his own, that is the PhD of autism. So, and उसको कभी ना कभी let go. उसको अगर कहीं जाके रहना है, साल में 1 महीना 2 महीना उसको जीना सीखने दो. And I think जब आप ऐसा करेंगे, सेकेंड टाइम अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड को कट करो। एक बार जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ था आपने कट की थी, इट वाज नॉट इन योर हैंड, द नर्स कट इट, बट नाउ एज अ पेरेंट यू आल्सो डू इट and let go your son or daughter and make him prepared for this world, क्योंकि कल हम रहे ना रहे, our child should be in some safe place, in safe hands. That's all I would say.
Thank you so much for, I'm really glad that you're a part of this wonderful summit, sir. I mean, and the fantastic work, that you're doing. So again, thank you so much for your time. That's it.
Not at all, not at all. My pleasure.
And definitely.
मैंने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, sir.